conducted a poll on Telegram today to find out which NCERT you're following. So, if you look closely, 50% of the audience is still following the old NCERT. They should know that the new syllabus demands the new NCERT. We can read the old NCERT for some topics, but the majority of us have to read the new NCERT. Okay, now, which topics should we study from the old NCERT and which topics are deleted from ours? So, this main objective is to clear up all your confusion. Which topics are deleted from yours? Here, I'll talk about biology, but I'll also provide you with both physics and chemistry in PDF format. So, let's start this video. Please share this video with all your friends so that any confusion regarding the syllabus is cleared up. First, we'll discuss which topics are deleted, which topics and chapters are deleted, and which NCERT books we need to read for that. Son, let's start with Living World. So, if you look carefully at Living World, you'll see that the topic, taxonomical aids, is deleted. It's not even listed in the new NCERT, right? It's listed in the old NCERT. But for Living World, you'll need to read both the old and new NCERT books. You'll need to read both, old and new. Why? Because the starting point of what is living is the part of the syllabus listed in the old NCERT. So, for that, you'll need to read the old NCERT, but you don't need to read the taxonomical aids, right? If you come to the plant kingdom, you don't have to study angiosperms. This topic is deleted. Okay? And you don't have to study life cycle either. It's not part of the syllabus, but it's conceptual. We teach it for that. Okay? So, this isn't included in the new NCERT. If we're talking about structural organization, you don't have to study earthworms at all. This topic is deleted from yours. If you look at the new NCERT, they've finished with just frogs. But you have to study frogs, cockroaches, and tissues. You have to study all three. You don't have to study earthworms. If you come to anatomy and flowering plants, you don't have to study secondary growth. If you have the old NCERT, I'm telling you, secondary growth is deleted from yours. It's not part of the syllabus. Yes, we'll move on. In biomolecules, there's a brief mention of the living state, and in the beginning of the living state, metabolism is mentioned briefly. You don't have to study that. Yes, so, these are the topics that you shouldn't study, which aren't in the syllabus. These topics are not in the syllabus. We discussed the topics. Now, let's talk about the chapters. Transport in plants is completely deleted. Mineral nutrition is completely deleted. If you talk about plant growth and development, photoperiodism and vernalization are deleted. This very last topic is deleted. Digestion and absorption is completely deleted in class 11. In neural control and coordination, your reflex arc reflex action was deleted. And your sense organs, eyes and ears,